all the way to that side. So like I said, if you give this one to someone, like the estate developers, or like a place that people can just come here and sit, because sometimes I used to watch places in abroad, and they have a place that people would just go there and sit down and be reading their books and everything. Because I think that when they give this place to someone who can develop this place, make everything nice, they will kind of make money. Because look at this place, the way it looks. Maybe we should walk by the river and go to the other side. So you can see these people, the people that are working here, these Dagomba people, and all of them, we call them Dagbani, because they have many languages, and to join all together, we call them Dagbani people. And you can see, like, when they came here, they have no place to sleep. So the land is so big, so decided to make some small kiosks so that they can live here. So you can see from here, the old Fadama, you can see like thousands kiosks over there that people are sleeping there. So when they move from there in the morning, them all, they will come to this place and be making their business, doing their scraps and all, burning all the coppers. Some of them work on the copper side, they do burning. Some of them do the scrap side that you see the kind of things that they're doing. So that's how it is. That's why you can see them. So from here, they just move to this place. So that's why you can see that they are going to sell it. Someone bought it.
Yeah.
So they are going to sell it. You see? So right now, all these people, all these things are there. Very soon, when they gather it finished, they will just take it to the domestics.
Yeah.
So when you go to the back there, that's where the river is. So we can move. So that they have their own machine.
Yeah.
So like let's say when you have something and when you bring it, they will weigh it. So when they weigh it, then they can pay you. So let's say you have your copper, like where we are coming from, our own place. This is at the back there, the guy that have that machine. So that machine, when it comes for him to hit it with aluminium and copper. So like when you have your copper, you just come there and say, okay, I have my copper here. So you just say, okay, let's weigh. And when they weigh it, they will just pay you. So it's like a group. It's like you have your own, when you have your own machine, you have your own money. You can have your own group. And one thing too that is happening here is like they have people, let's say you have money. You can come, you can have your machine, and you can organize like 3 or 4 or 5 people, and for them you give them money to go around. Some of them, you see that they use this motorbike. They can go around and be collecting those things, and when they get the things, they'll bring it to you, and you buy it from them. But though you are the one who have given them that money, but you buy it according to how you want it. Then they will make that profit from it. So it's like you are helping them. Okay. So you can go and buy it. That is working. But you forgot that it's your own one that you throw it away that you think that is not good. Yeah, so it's very nice and good. I think like how people they say here only burning and all those. That's why we are trying to get all this information to show the world that when you come here, you know that like only that bad name that
What does the world want from here? What did they want from here? Is it Ghana or where? What did they want from here?
What they want from here?
Yeah. Martin, you want the whole world to see this place is not
the whole world, but we are trying to change that name. They will come and buy it and remove all the extras. So then if you want something like this, you can just come here and get it. So all the things here are working that you can get.
Yeah, power pack, that's
computer power pack. Yeah.
So they get everything
Have
from
you
this.
seen? You see the one that is working on? You can see it right here.
And what value does that have here?
Like this one is the power pack from computer, and when they dismantle it, they will take all this one from it, and this one is copper. So when they remove the copper, because you know copper costs more than aluminium, so they will remove.
After this one, what does this?
You see?
This aluminum, this copper, we go burn this one to
but this one, when you burn it, you won't get more copper inside. Like you get small. I think the one that you get it from this one, even this one is more than the one that you get it here.
Right? Sometimes this is more than this one.
Unless you have more.
Yeah, like
more of this. Okay.
So if you gather it, you got more than this. Unless they go.
They say the Chinese, when they buy this, the China people, because the reason why they buy this one is like when they melt it, they get some gold inside.
These are not channel lines, are not here. This one is copper. I hope you know it.
Yeah, no copper.
Right, the one they are buying and they see gold inside is like this, like not type of this. Not this. Inside computer, inside network.
This one be what? This one be what?
This one
be normal like radio.
Yeah. Like this is power supply.
Power supply.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say when I go round and I get more copper, I will bring it. But if I bring it, that doesn't mean that I have to give it to you because of you give me that 1,000. I have to wait so that when I wait, and if it's more than 1,000, then you have to pay me. Because you just give me the money to go around and get those things for you. That doesn't mean that I'm working for you, that when I'm bringing it, even if it's more than 5,000, once you are the one give me the money, so I have to still say, okay, it's 1,000. That's not how it works. Because even if I give you that one, by the end of the day, I'm not going to pay you. I'm just helping you also to make business. So if I give you that one, your everything is just go round, and make sure that you get more than the money that I gave to you, so that you have something out from it. So that's how it's working. So every day you make profit and I will make profit. You see how it's working.
So it's like a business.
Yes. So you are helping me and I'm also helping you. So that's how it's working. So if you can find like 40, 50, 60 people, the more that you are trying to get many people to work with, the more that you are making more money. That's how it works.
Yeah.
The reason why that people are living here is that, like, if you don't, you see, like in Accra particular, to rent a place it costs. So like you can go and rent like 2 bedrooms, self-contained, or a single room or chamber and hall. So when you move from north to here, you come here without having anything. So you have no choice to sleep here. And sometimes when they sleep here, that they get to some point, they don't want to move from here to another place. And I think later on they realize that these people that are here, like they don't have any place to go. So they sleep around. So if you sack them, where are they going? So they decided to wait for now. So right now, I don't know, because like these people, I think the reason why the government is doing that is like, if you leave them, they will be coming. They'll be coming, and it will go to some point that, and here is the middle of the Accra, and they don't want to waste this land just to be given to these people for them to live here. So what you're trying to do is like, you can come here and work, but you have to go back to some place and sleep. But right now, it got to some point that everyone was sleeping here. You see how they built these ones? So that's where you sleep.
Be here where I did. You go keep coming inside.
Okay, so you can make the video very well. So I'm going to speak to him so that he will make the video.
Don't fear, come. Wow. Be here where they sleep.
Okay.
You see how?
Okay, so this is your room. So this is the thing that you sleep on it.
The night.
So in the night you just put it here.
I dey put down for them. I dey put mosquito because here mosquito they plenty. You see how?
Okay, so how do you protect yourself? Because there are thousands of mosquitoes here. So you always use mosquito coil? You dey use mosquito coil?
This one.
You dey use mosquito net? Okay, then you sleep. So you don't have any infection?
No.
You don't sick? Or not? Sometimes you used to sick because of the mosquitoes. They bite you. When they bite you, you get sick.
Sometimes no, I dey sick bed. I don't get anybody for here. You see, it be my
so
phone.
if you're sick and you don't have money, how did you get medicine?
If you so now, where I dey find the driver no. You see, I see somebody, he be driver. I dey take my number giver.
So that if you have some car, then he go take the car give you.
No, see, he take somebody. See the person no get meter. I
go be mate.
Go to follow. Because I don't get driving license.
Okay, so what you want to do is you be doing mate work. So you go help the driver collect the money.
Do the driving license. I be see somebody go first talk say he go help me. He go do the driving license for me. He go buy the car for me. I go work for him.
Okay.
He go the money where he take make the driving license for me.
You go pay him small.
See I work. At the work no, he go come on that money all for the.
Okay. Okay, that means once you are working for the person, then the person will be deducting that money from your salary inside. You go take the money from your money inside small. So the time that you finish paying that money. Okay. You just give them warning, like just put it in your mind that this land is not for you. So Don't just come and buy something. Because before, when I came here first, when you come here, you see like it look like a complete house. Like they have their everything, they have their houses, they have nice things, their fridges and everything inside there. The government realized that no, if I don't take time, these people will take the land. So I have to just do something. So, they think that when they spend that money here, like it's nothing to me.
So this isn't the end of the river. It continues.
No, it continues. The sea is over there. Even have you seen where the cars are? The sea is very far. I think this where, have you seen this one? Look at this where they bring all the waste. Then they have machine that the joint stakes. Then they go all the way to the sea because you see the river is moving this way. Something that when the machines come, then this side will open, then it will dump the particular. I think it is waste. Then it will dump it inside. Then when they finish, they will cover it and it will go all the way to the sea. Okay, these are the onion trucks from Niger, some from Burkina Faso, some from Niger, and they brought the onions. See the onions that they are selling over there? It was these trucks that always bring them. So the onions are not from Ghana. Some from only few are from Ghana, and that one. It's not like the one that we grow them in Ghana. It's not much.
So this is where all the stuff for the market they park here.
Yes.
It's not where. What about the waste? Is it coming from here as well?
Yeah, and even one funny thing is that the waste you can't get a truck like this that will bring them in because like that one. There's no way that you can get a huge truck like this that will bring them. That one is just small for those small trucks. But I think the reason why that when they finish the pack here, it's one thing that I know is that I think in Burkina they don't have harbor. Like they don't have sealand that the ships stick them. So you see all these trucks that are here. I think when they move from here, they will go to Tema Harbor and they will go and get some goods from there back to. So when you bring the onion, you go to Harbor and get some things like maybe someone from Niger brought some things and uses past Ghana. So from here, you have to try and make that connection so that you have to get another load back. Otherwise, you waste your fuel and everything. So that's why they are packing here. They have to make sure that they will get another load that is going to where they came from so that they will pack something. Yeah.